Managing multiple projects efficiently. Managing multiple projects can feel like a daunting challenge. With each project comes its own set of goals, timelines, and teams. The complexity multiplies when you need to manage these simultaneously, but there are strategies that can make juggling multiple projects more manageable. Strategy 1. Prioritize your projects. Start by determining the priority of each project. Focus on critical deadlines, available resources, and potential risks. This will help you allocate your time and resources more effectively. Strategy 2. Create a clear project roadmap. Each project should have a clear roadmap. This includes milestones, deadlines, and deliverables. Make sure to track progress regularly to stay on top of everything. Strategy 3. Use project management tools. Utilize project management software to keep everything in one place. Tools like ClickUp or Trello can help you visualize project timelines and tasks. This ensures that no task is overlooked and helps improve team collaboration. Strategy 4. Delegate and empower teams. Delegate tasks to the right team members based on their strengths. Empower your team to take ownership of their tasks, ensuring accountability. This reduces your workload and fosters a sense of responsibility. Strategy 5. Monitor progress continuously. Regularly check the progress of each project. Make adjustments as needed to stay on track and meet deadlines. Consistent monitoring helps you spot issues early before they become problems. Strategy 6. Manage risks proactively. Anticipate potential risks for each project. Create a risk management plan that includes mitigation strategies. By being proactive, you can reduce the chances of delays or unexpected issues. By applying these strategies, you can effectively manage multiple projects at once, ensuring they are delivered on time and within budget. Key takeaways: prioritize, plan, and use tools to stay organized. Delegate tasks, monitor progress, and manage risks. With these strategies in place, you can confidently handle multiple projects without feeling overwhelmed.